got grain on these, as you can see. Grain there. But yet they want to like chase you. Grain there, a scoop, and a scoop of grain right there. But yet, let's like all try to get whatever mom put somewhere. That big boy right there is Cecil. And then you got Cassidy, and then Athena, and that looks like probably there is Clarissa and Winnie, and that is Odessa's kid right there. Here comes Aurora, and then the rest of them are over there. Try to get out of here. Being bad. Freaking kick the crap out of me. So my lilies are still blooming right there, as you can see, and then my hollyhocks are open, and then my little coneflower there, and my daisies are blooming, and then those let's come over here and see if I can't walk up the back of that real quick, as long as I don't step in a spider web down here. We got our roosters in the other pen going to the meat market. There's an egg right there. Look at that. There's an egg. Right? Ew, it sounds like I stepped on something. I wonder if this was a nest or something that they had. No, maybe not. Just one. I don't know why there's just one right there, but there is. But anyways, we'll keep walking this way. That my mother-in-law gave me these. Man, I knew that grew up in between there. How did that happen? Goodness sakes, when I go to take this fence down, I'm going to have to be careful. But look at these. They're so pretty. Can't wait for my other colors to come on. But anyways, I was trying to get to those. I don't know if I can without falling. Let's see if I can get down this hill kind of and around. Okay, maybe. But I think I showed this in yesterday's video, but I'm not for sure. But anyways, I have my one, maybe I'll just crawl up in here so I'm not dragging myself down. This is where I had my one hibiscus that I had bought from, but this is something, and I don't know what it is. I think I planted something here, and I don't remember, but there's all kinds of, those are so pretty. And these ones are beautiful too. And they smell delicious. But there's my other one that my mother-in-law gave me, the other hibiscus. And the weird thing is, I think that's what those are called. These are hardy, and the one I had down there, and my mother-in-law gave me another one, those are not hardy. You have to pull them up every year, and I didn't know that, but I was looking at them. And there's my black hollyhocks. So I'm just going to step out of here. My mammoth mums are still blooming. Aren't they pretty? I think they are. I think I got some like marble colored ones. If those would decide to do something. And these right here, I don't know what happened to these, but they got knocked over, but they shouldn't be. This one right here, I don't remember knocking it over myself. I'm going to have to put a thingy around it, like a zip tie maybe, so it can stand up because it's getting all dirty. That's one, and I don't know what color that'll be. And here's another one. I'm not sure what color that one's going to be. And then that one right there, I'm not sure either. But my zinnias, what there are left. My husband said, "You did a good job, beautiful, weeding that out." I said, "I did what I could do." He's like, "This bed will be beautiful once it's all done, filled in." I said, "Yeah, that would be correct." But I'm going to take you guys over here. Hang on. I'm trying to like show everything, so I got to get myself. I contacted our scrap guy, so this barrel is going to go and that barrel is going to go, and then a bunch of our scrap that we've got going on is going to go. We just got to find out what he can take and what he can't take, because we've got our overhead microwave that I'm not sure that he can take. We've got a dryer that went out that was here when we bought it, and I thought we could see the Land Rovers, as my husband calls them. Freedom Rangers is what they are, but the one that's still hurt is right there. We come in 3 times a day, pick him up, or her, or whatever it is, so it can drink. It can actually get itself over there, and then we put food next to it so it's got plenty to eat. But they're growing fast. They've got just a little bit of grass, as you can see in here. They do a lot of fighting. I've been trying to give them little stuff like pieces of food and stuff to see if they'll eat it, and they tend to. I noticed that we've got darker red ones, and then we've got these lighter colored ones, and I'm not sure. Possibly those are hens or roosters, but I don't know. What are you guys doing? I know they like chasing bugs, but yep, that would be them. So let's go up now, and I'll show you where I planted those. I'm going to have to let my husband know we're going to have to get some big pots, because I'm going to have to pull them up this fall. Because the one says it can't be below, the one that my mom got me, my mother-in-law, she got me, I actually read it. I think I threw it in this garbage right here. Because the other one that I read in here, there's this one, and where's my label right here? Okay. See, this one right here was the one that I had bought. It's a hibiscus. Blooms time from spring, summer, fall, and winter, it says. But it's funny how it says winter, because it says right there, hardiness. Bring indoors below 33. This is the one that my mother-in-law had gotten, and she just didn't have anywhere to put it, is what she told me, which is fine, because I got room to put stuff over here. But I opened it up and was reading it too, and down here, cold hardiness, it's got to be above 50. So I'm like, goodness sakes, I didn't even know. So how are these hibiscus? Is it, maybe it's because those aren't hibiscus. I don't know. I think they are, but these ones have like different leaves on them. They're not soft like that. They're like they almost have like a wax on them. I gotta water them. And actually, I've got to water the plants over here too that I just planted. So let me get this started and get down there, and that can get filled back up. And then I can... Oh. Now, these are everywhere. Almost got ran into by a hummingbird. Okay, our hummingbird feeder's right there. And I gotta really watch it when I walk past there because I can get ran over by a hummingbird. There's an egg. But I put them here. And when I was in here, I almost got hit by a... See, I still have quite a few more of these zinnias popping up. It's just like this little area right here has nothing in it. I'm almost about ready just to go try to get the my wildflower seed and just stick it in here. But anyways, this is the one that my mother-in-law gave me, so I planted it right there. And this is the one that I bought. This is an orange one, and that's a red one, which is beautiful. So I cannot complain about it. And then we got these. Those are annuals. I don't know if they're going to reseed and maybe come back next year. I'm not sure about that. These are not. Those are weeds. And I weeded back here. This was full of grass. While I was in here, I decided to do that. And I'm glad this plant came back, my hydranium. That one came back, that one came back. This one did not, but I'm not saying it won't. And this one is doing well too. I got another little one I could probably put there, but I'm going to wait and see if it doesn't come back. But look at all these little baby zinnias. That's not it. Yeah, it is. This is not. Oh. There's a zinnia there. There's a zinnia there. Look at all them. Even came up in there. This was with a plant that I had. And I don't know what happened to this. Got some seed on it. So hopefully it'll reseed itself. If I could just kind of mush it up maybe. I think it was a perennial, but I don't even remember what it was. I've got it from Home Depot. Same with this. That had a Susan, Black Eye Susans in it. And this is a snapdragon. I don't even know where this even came from. Maybe it's something my mom gave me? That might be. But look at all these. And then this thing right here, I think is beautiful. I thought it was supposed to flower, but it hasn't. But it's pretty anyways. I like it. And then this little thing right here had pink and blue flowers on it, so at least it's doing okay. I'm okay with that. That will not come back. It's an annual. It's still pretty though. I like it. I usually don't keep annuals, but like those my mom gave me because someone that she used to work with or my sister worked with or something like that had a couple flats of them, gave her a flat, so she gave me a couple of them. But yep, there's some zinnias, quite a few actually. And I'm gonna kind of do this video and I'm gonna edit it because last night when we were I had to be on a mandatory Zoom meeting, so I didn't get to record any more of my husband working on the back there. I turned that on. Hopefully it's not running. No, it's got that hooky thingy on it, I think. But it's still gonna leak. We gotta get a new one. See, it's let's see if I can open this up one-handed. Man, that's like strong. It wants to get out of my hand. There. While that's filling, I'm going to go up here. And of course, you know, everybody knows the horses. Got Hercules walking up there, Maverick, Diamond, Jazzy. My husband actually mentioned about possibly selling Maverick and Jazzy. I said I would be okay with selling Maverick. Jazzy I think we should keep. Just because she's young. You know, and I think that she should be kept. Maverick I'm not attached to. I said Diamond on the other hand, I'm attached to her. She's a brat, but I'm attached to her. She's my brat. That's how I can say it. And then I gotta water them. Oh, we should have. There's Jill rolling. But let me come back up here. Okay, go in the chicken pen real quick. And yes, I got Americanas out. Everybody's gonna get locked up tonight because I gotta be able to have my roosters in that pen in there. So when tomorrow evening comes, I can go and get them caged up and take them to the butcher. But yeah, all my Americanas are out right here. Hi, Blondie. We've got 2 Blondies. I'm not sure. He's going for sure. That's one that's going. That one right there, he's going. I think we'll probably end up keeping him. I think. It's either him or I don't know where my other one's at. Where's he at? So we got these 2 that are going for sure. So that's 2. There's my other blonde and blondie. So I call these 2 ladies blondies. And there's my silver. She's so pretty. And that's either a black Jersey Giant or what checks is black Australorp. Where's my other dude at? Where's he at? There he is. Is that you or... See, I don't know if this is a hen or a rooster. There's my other rooster. You're okay. I think that's a hen. But yeah, this is the other rooster. Mango, what are you doing clear over here, girl? That's a black Jersey Giant or a black Australorp. I'm not sure which. And then we got an well, she's not Americana, but she's an olive egg layer right there. So maybe there's only 4 that are going. We know Chex is staying. Aren't you, Chex? Yes. You staying, boy? Well, I was trying to pet you and you don't want to be petted? Huh? You don't want to be petted? Yeah, this one he's going for sure. He's mean. Not to people though, but to other chickens. He likes to chase. He's the one I think we're keeping. That one right there. So what is there? 1, 2. Maybe I don't have as... I thought we had 5. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3. 3. I thought this was a rooster too, but I think it's actually a hen. Is there only 4? Huh. Yeah, these are 2 of my... Those are the 2 purebreds. So I wasn't sure which 2 we should keep. I thought we had... No, we must have ended up with 2. So I'm not sure if I should keep him or him. That one right there. One of them is a little more aggressive toward the hens than the other, and I can't tell right now who it is. But it looks like we've got 3 or 4 going. We just got too many roosters in the hen house. He's definitely prettier than that one over there, but I mean, are we really caring about looks? So that's what I gotta do. Bless me. Woo! So, that's that. Looks like we only got 3 or 4 roosters that are going. I thought we had 6 roosters total. Or, yeah, 6. Excuse me. Okay, so we're gonna go back down here and do the rest of the animals, and then this video will be the video that will go out before the other video does, because I gotta finish doing it. I'm not even sure if I even put in where Ariel kicked the crap out of me yet. I'm not sure if I put that up. Excuse me. Man, they got that bale knocked down. Took them, what is today, Wednesday? 3 days to knock that bale down. We definitely need a feeder. The boys aren't too hungry, as we can see. Prince was standing on top of that yesterday. I need more water. I can't see you guys from way over there. Just try to see the boys. Jill! Jill! You wanna come here? You wanna come here? Jill! Little mama, come here. Jill! Jill! She's like, I don't want to. It's too hot. Flies are bothering me. There's Odessa. Hi, beautiful. What you doing? Look at the old lady. There she is. Just so precious. Yes, she is. She's just a precious girl. Cow. Look at that mama right there. Look at you, cow. Cassie. You didn't have to get up, girl. No, her didn't have to get up. Willow. Hi, Miss Willow. What you doing? Ariel? Babies. Babies. Hi. Hi, baby. Athena. Hi, Hope. Cecil. Winnie. Goodness sakes. What you doing, baby girl? Huh? What you doing? Hi. Yes. There's all my French girls right here. Boom, boom, boom. 4 of the 5. Right there. There's number 5. There's number 6. Look at my Frencher's face. Look at you, girl. Look at you. Ow. You just jumped on my belly, boy. You big brute. You guys are going to need water. Hi, Aurora. Yes. Athena, you're a big baby girl. Yes, you are. You remind me of Willow. Aurora, Winnie, Hope. You're such a beautiful girl, Hope. Carissa. Hi, Mama. What you doing? Hi, Cassidy. Carissa. Hi, Mama. What you doing? Huh? Cassidy. Cassidy, what you doing, girl? I'm trying to pet everybody. Aurora. Hi, Mama. Did you want to actually get petted now? Quit shooting on me. Look at his little beard. He's got a little beard coming on. Aladdin. Aladdin! What are you doing, boy? Huh? I gotta get you guys watered, too. That's everybody. The whole farm. All of our kids. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Till next time, God bless.